I can tell you as a personal injury lawyer in the state of Florida that having handled thousands of car accident cases and truck accident cases and then handling motorcycle injury cases, not only are the clients different, not only are the facts different, but the insurance companies treat these cases differently, and then ultimately juries in Florida also treat victims of motorcycle injury accidents much differently than car and truck accidents. Why is this? Well, you kind of have to go through the history of motorcycles, motorcycle clubs, veterans, the war effort in Vietnam, how soldiers were treated when they came home, to really appreciate how our society has treated people who ride motorcycles. It's probably a longer discussion than I can do in this video, but ultimately what happened is there's a large bias in this country from people who don't ride and don't know people who ride about people who ride. And that maybe they're a part of some sort of counterculture, or that they're up to no good, or that it's loud, or that it's dangerous. I mean, the list goes on and on. But the truth of the matter is that motorcycle riders come in all shapes and sizes, colors, height, weight, age, occupation. There's virtually no part of our society that doesn't ride motorcycles. Are motorcycles more dangerous than cars for the people who are riding them? Well, of course. You don't have doors and windshields and ceilings and seat belts like you do in cars. You and the road. But I can also tell you that most of the people who get injured in motorcycle accidents, they're not the reason that the accident occurred. It's somebody else taking a left-hand turn in front of them, somebody who didn't see them. And because of some of the safety concerns that I just brought up, obviously the product of those accidents can be worse. But that doesn't make them less deserving of compensation. It doesn't make them less deserving of our attention that we would for anybody in a truck or car accident. But the fact of the matter is that there is jury bias. And to that extent, because there are human beings working in insurance companies, they have that same bias. When you have a motorcycle injury case, you want to work with a law firm who's handled a lot of those types of cases, because we know it when we see it, and we know how to deal with it. Whereas car accident lawyers and truck accident lawyers who don't deal with a lot of biker injury cases, sometimes they may have some of those same biases, and it may come through in their work.